just want to give you guys a quick update on my little indoor grow system. If you're new to my channel, I did a video on this little system a couple of years ago, and I've been using it to grow lettuce indoors, mainly during the fall, winter, and the spring, but you can certainly use it in the summer as well. But I just have way too much growing outside, so I don't generally use it in the summer. So I did go ahead and start some plants about 8 weeks ago, and I'll just show you what I have growing. Of course, if you're familiar with the system, you know all of these plants are growing in water, and so I have about 4 or 5 different varieties of lettuce. And then up here I plan to move this down into the system soon as my watercress. So I love to put a little bit of that in my salads and things like that, and I just used a little small light to kind of get that growing. Now I'll make sure to leave a link for you if you've missed my video on how I built this. And then down here, what I'm doing a little bit differently this year, I didn't do it last year, is I am growing a lot of herbs because I love to use herbs for cooking, and I really do miss them in the winter. So I have in here about 2 different kinds of basils, and then I have a couple of parsley plants, and I have some dill. Even though my parsley will grow outdoors for a while in the winter, it really survives the cold fine, but it is not, you know, it kind of goes dormant in the winter. So I wanted to put some over here, and then I have some more lettuce here, and I haven't started the bottom shelf of my system yet, but I will do that soon, especially in the middle of the winter when I really need to have some things growing. So anyway, there you go. And I want to give you a tip too. For those of you who are using the system, don't bring in plants from outside. Like if you see a plant at the grocery store, I would not put it in the system. I did that last year, and I had a big problem with white flies because I brought a basil plant in that I saw at the grocery store. It was grown hydroponically, so I thought, well, I'll just put it over here in my system, and then it infected the entire system with white flies, and I lost all my plants. So make sure to be careful about bringing anything from the outdoors indoors, because the nice thing about this system is, you know, all of your plants are just grown in water. There's no pesticides, and it's just a beautiful thing. So if you have any questions about it, please leave them down below the video, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.